The ChatGPT plugin we are exploring in this lecture is One Word Domain, which helps you with finding your online identity. Coming up with a unique and memorable domain name can be challenging. One Word Domain simplifies this process by allowing you to search for domain name availability directly from ChatGPT. This plugin searches and compares domain prices across different registries, saving you time and effort. With it, you can efficiently generate business names and check their availability in various formats like .com or .ai. Now let's see how you can enable One Word Domain plugin. Go to Plugin Store. Click All. You can find One Word Domain plugin in page 5 second from left in bottom row. I have already installed the plugin. You need to click Install. Once it's installed, we need to enable the plugin. Remember, you can only enable a maximum of 3 plugins. Initially, let's run our prompt without enabling One Word Domain plugin. Our input prompt is: planning to register a generative AI domain name for my startup on edtech. Suggest names with end with .ai. As you can see, ChatGPT has suggested following 10 names: genedtech.ai, edugenai.ai, learngen.ai, aidinnovations.ai, genlearn.ai, eduagen.ai, teachgen.ai, edugen.ai, genedui.ai, learnigen.ai. Post-generating names, we had to manually check the availability of these domain names as they might be already taken. If we enable One Word Domain plugin and retry the prompt we previously fed as input to ChatGPT, now we see after the first part we now see plugin enabled, and we see a using One Word Domain with a toggle, and post-generating domain names we see hyperlinks for 10 generated names. If we click on any of listed hyperlinks by One Word Domain ChatGPT plugin, it would redirect us to godaddy.com/domain search. As you can see, it has listed your domain geneclassroom.ai is available. For the first year with a 2-year registration, it would cost us $59.99. Hope this helps, and hopefully One Word Domain ChatGPT plugin would help you find an amazing business domain.